Hello out there in Dataland, my name is Robert Pound and I am a product technologist for Quest. Today I will discuss Toad DataPoint Professional with Analytics. If you're trying to determine whether Base, Professional, or Professional with Analytics is the right fit for you, then you're watching the correct video. The following features, which build on the Professional edition, may be helpful. All the great features that are in Toad DataPoint Base and Professional are in Professional with Analytics, as the name implies, but we're adding an analytics package. So for all those budding data scientists out there or full-fledged data scientists that want to start doing advanced analytics on your data into a data point, this is the package for you. So first things first, anything that you want to do advanced analytics on has to be marshaled into your local storage, as I've done so here in this table. And in the editor, we can see a couple examples of the advanced analytics in action. I have a standard deviation function running here. And you can get to the various functions through either code completion or through the code snippets library directly. So you can see here I have advanced analytics, and these are all the functions that we're talking about. Or in the code snippets library, we can see under advanced analytics, we can get to all these different functions here as well. Here at the bottom, this is a link to the actual reference guide that's available as well. And just to show you real quick, this is what it looks like. It has all the different functions available in the tool and a description of each one of them. And that's it, short and sweet. Hopefully this helped you understand a little bit more about Toad DataPoint Professional with Analytics and how it can be useful. For more information on this product, you can go to the help file. It has a wide range of information and tutorials to help get you started. You can also check out the community-driven innovation going on at www.toadworld.com. For more information on this product, go to www.quest.com/products/Toad DataPoint. Thank you, and have a great day.